Hello everyone, this is Inna with Innichka Chef and welcome to my kitchen. Look at this beauty, chicken of the woods. That's this beautiful fungus we found in the forest yesterday with children. And I'm so excited to show you what can we do with this. But first of all, I want to show you how to clean this mushroom. To clean this mushroom, just like any mushroom, you don't want make wet mushroom, because mushroom is like a sponge. It will absorb all water and it will be not too good. You see how soft and bright and fresh color this mushroom is? All I do usually using a brush and kind of brush off all sand and all dirt, and the rest of take with slightly wet damp towel, kitchen towel. And this is ready to use. Smell good. Okay. This part, as you see, has little damages. So I would rather to take little pair knife and kind of cut this off. Anything black, you won't get rid of it. You see how easy and quick, and we don't need to wet actually. Just use your damp towel and a pair knife or little brush. And that's all you need to clean, proper clean mushroom, any mushroom by the way. And I will link below similar and related recipes, and I hope you will check in future what we're going to make with these mushrooms.